Hi guys, it's Miss Perkins here. Today we're going to be talking about Module 1, Lesson 26 and 27. In this lesson, we're going to be talking about being able to use strategies to solve subtraction problems. Now first, I'm going to talk about these certain strategies that we can use whenever we're subtracting. The first one is whenever we're subtracting 0. So whenever you're subtracting 0, the number does not change because nothing is taken away. So as you see here, 5 minus 0 is still 5 because nothing was taken away from that 5. And also 10 minus 0 is also just 10. And then subtracting the same number. Whenever you're subtracting the same number, the answer will always be 0 because everything is taken away. Then, another strategy is whenever you draw a picture to subtract. You can draw how many you start with, then you cross out how many is taken away, and then you have to see how much is left. So for this example, it's 3 minus 2 equals 1. You had 3 that you started off with, so you drew 3, minus 2, so you cross out 2, and then you're left with that 1. Next one, you subtract with doubles. So if you know that 2 plus 2 equals 4, and you can think about your doubles, and you know that 2 plus 2 equals 4, you can make that addition into a subtraction. You know that 4 minus 2 would be 2 left. So you can use that as well to help you. Another one is when you subtract with the friends of 10 or the 10 buddies. You know that 9 plus 1 equals 10, so that means you know that 10 minus 1 would also be 9, because we know those fact families from some of the lessons that we did earlier. And then our last strategy is to count back to subtract. So it's 5 minus 2 equals 3, where you start with the first number, which is 5. And then you count back as many as the second number, which is 2. So 1, 2. And then you have to see what number you landed on, which is 3. And that is the answer. Now looking at this one, it's 8 minus 3. Now we could do a few different strategies for this one. I'm going to show you guys two strategies, and that is going to be the counting on strategy and also the picture. 8 minus 3 equals blank. We're going to start by counting backwards, or counting whenever we're subtracting. So whenever we're counting backwards, we're going to put that hole in our head, which is 8, and then we're going to count back what the second number is. We're going to count that back 3 times because that 3 is how many we're taking away. So 8, 9, 10. Oh, my goodness, I'm sorry. Let me go on back. We're counting back. Silly me. So 8, 7, 6, 5. Thank goodness Miss Perkins realized that I was counting up, because sometimes we do that on accident because we're so used to counting on instead of counting backwards. So make sure that you count backwards. So it's 8, 7, 6, 5. Now you also can draw a picture. You first start off with your whole, which is 8, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You cross out what it says right here, because it says 8 minus 3. So you cross out the part they give you. Cross out 3, circle the rest. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is our answer. So 8 minus 3 equals 5. Alrighty guys, that's it for this video.